Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Semrush and SE Ranking, two popular SEO tools. Whether you're a digital marketer, a small business owner, an SEO freelancer, or you're just diving into the SEO space, this comparison will help you decide which platform best suits your needs in 2025. I'll cover everything from the features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and wrap up with a balanced conclusion. So let's get started. Semrush is practically a household name in the digital marketing world. It was founded in 2008 and it's grown into a massive all-in-one platform with over 10 million users across the globe. Initially built for keyword research and SEO tracking, Semrush now supports marketers across SEO, PPC, content marketing, competitive research, social media, and even PR. What makes Semrush so dominant is the sheer scale of its database. It tracks over 21 billion keywords, 43 trillion backlinks, and provides data for more than 500 million domains. This depth of data gives it a serious edge when it comes to accuracy and competitive analysis. It is trusted by big brands like Apple, Samsung, Quora, and Forbes, and it's become the go-to for large marketing teams, agencies, and serious digital professionals. Now on the other side, we have SE Ranking. It started as a lightweight keyword tracker, but over the years it has evolved into a full-featured SEO platform that is used by over 800,000 professionals worldwide. What sets SE Ranking apart is its simplicity and affordability, making it ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, digital marketing freelancers, and agencies who want serious tools without breaking the bank. It might not have the same breadth of tools as Semrush, but it's incredibly focused on the essentials, which are rank tracking, website audits, keyword research, backlinks, and content optimization. Plus, it's increasingly adding AI and local SEO features to appeal to the current market demands. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. First, Semrush, the keyword magic tool. Probably one of the best in business. It gives you a ton of keyword suggestions along with metrics like search intent, difficulty, CPC, which is cost per click, and SERP features. Domain overview and competitor analysis. You can plug in a competitor's website and instantly get their top performing keywords, the traffic sources and backlink profile, and even ad strategies. Technical SEO site audits. You can scan your site for over 140 issues, things like broken links, duplicate content, slow loading pages, or improper redirects. Backlink analytics and link building tool. You can discover backlink opportunities and elevate the quality of incoming links, and this is great for outreach and cleanup. Content marketing toolkits. These are tools for topic research, writing assistance, optimization, and performance tracking. Position tracking and local SEO. You can monitor keyword rankings across locations and devices and even track local map pack visibility. Social media poster and tracker. Semrush even lets you manage social media campaigns and analyze performances. How about SE Ranking? The main features. First, rank tracking. Here you have daily updates on your keyword positions with accurate tracking for Google, Bing, Yahoo, and across different countries and devices. Website audit tool. You can find and fix over 100 on-page and technical SEO issues. This tool is intuitive with a traffic light style interface showing what is urgent. Backlink checker and monitor. You can analyze your backlinks and get alerts if links are lost or they turn toxic. While it's not as deep as Semrush, it's great for most users. Keyword research tool. Solid functionalities here. You get data like difficulty, cost per click, and traffic potential. Also, it includes related keywords and competitor keywords. Content editor with AI writing assistance. This new tool uses AI to help optimize content for SEO and readability. Local SEO tools. It includes a local marketing checklist and ability to track rankings for specific business locations and map packs. And of course, white label and reporting, which is perfect for agencies. You can customize dashboards and generate branded reports for clients. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? First, Semrush. There's the Pro plan for beginners and individual projects at $139.95 per month. There's the Guru plan at $249.95 per month, and the Business plan at $499.95 per month. There's additional users charges, which is around $45 per month per user. Of course, there's no free trial for this one, but there's a limited free version with basic data. And for SE Ranking, there's the Essential plan at $52 per month. There's the Pro plan at $95.20 per month, and the Business plan at $207.20 per month. Now, all this comes at the price of the annual subscription plan, which gives you 20%. But if you want it monthly, then it's a higher pricing. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons of using these platforms. We start with the pros. First, Semrush. Industry-leading keyword and competitor tools are available on the platform. There's a massive database and excellent accuracy. Rich features for content marketing and PPC, and it is trusted by top-tier brands. And the pros of SE Ranking? Affordable with generous features. Beginner-friendly UI and UX. Strong rank tracking and local SEO tools. And there are AI writing tools and customizable reports. How about the cons? For Semrush, it's expensive, especially for small businesses. It can be overwhelming for beginners, and there is no built-in AI writing tool as of now. And the cons of SE Ranking? Smaller keyword or backlink database compared to Semrush. Some tools are less advanced on the platform, and sharing projects across accounts is also somewhat limited. So having compared all of this, which tool is the best in 2025? It really comes down to your use case. Basically, if you're an agency with multiple clients or a company running multi-channel campaigns, Semrush gives you unmatched depth, analytics, and flexibility. It's expensive, but you get what you pay for. On the other hand, if you're a freelancer, a solo entrepreneur, or a growing business that's looking for reliable SEO tools that won't break the bank, SE Ranking is a fantastic choice. It's clean, it's affordable, and it continues to evolve with smart features like the AI-assisted content and local SEO tools. And that's it on the comparison between Semrush and SE Ranking. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Moz, Ubersuggest, and RFs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.